Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change Honda Civic drum brakes, full guide. Begin by gathering tools and safety gear, then lift the car and secure it with jack stands. Remove the wheel and inspect the drum, shoes, springs, and wheel cylinder for wear or leaks. Follow the steps to remove the drum, replace shoes and hardware, adjust the brake and test by hand before lowering the car and performing a road test. Start by loosening lug nuts and lifting the Civic, then remove the wheel and locate the drum. If the drum is stuck, apply penetrating oil and tap gently with a rubber mallet around the hub. Release the parking brake and back off the star adjuster through the access hole to retract the shoes. Once free, pull the drum straight off and set it aside for inspection or replacement with clean gloves on. With the drum removed, take photos and note spring locations to guide reassembly, then remove springs and hold down clips with pliers. Swap out old shoes and the adjuster, and install the new hardware kit following the photographed layout. Reassemble springs and clips using the proper tools, then reinstall the drum and adjust the star wheel until slight drag is felt. Pump the brake pedal to set the shoes before.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.